If you're looking to expand your workspace effortlessly, the Triple Display USB 3.0 docking station offers a straightforward solution. It supports up to 3 monitors, 1 HDMI and 2 DisplayPort outputs, giving you the flexibility to create a powerful multi-screen setup that fits your workflow. Why does this matter? Having multiple displays means you can spread out your work, keep important apps visible, and reduce the constant toggling between windows. Whether you're managing spreadsheets, editing videos, or running multiple programs, this dock helps you stay organized and efficient. The docking station delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution on one display, with support for 3840 by 2160 pixels. Meanwhile, the other 2 monitors can run at a crisp 2048 by 1152 resolution. This combination ensures your visuals are sharp and clear, whether you're reviewing detailed designs or watching high-definition content. Beyond just screens, this dock connects up to 5 USB devices through USB 3.0 ports. That means keyboards, mice, external drives, and more can all be plugged in at once. Plus, it includes a dedicated fast charge USB port, so your phone or tablet powers up quickly without tying up your computer's energy. Creating a complete workstation is easier with this dock's additional features. It offers a gigabit Ethernet port for reliable wired internet, a headset jack, and separate 3.5mm audio and microphone ports. These extras make it ideal for video calls, streaming, or any task requiring clear sound and fast connectivity. Compatibility is key, and this dock works smoothly with Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS devices. It comes with a 3.3-foot USB 3.0 Type A to B cable to get you started right away. If you're using a USB-C laptop, you'll just need a compatible adapter or cable, which you can find easily online or at your local tech store. Users who've relied on this docking station praise its durability and consistent performance. One reviewer from the United States mentioned using the USB-A version for over a year without any issues. With 2 monitors connected, the dock continues to operate flawlessly, reflecting the quality StarTech is known for. This dock isn't just about connectivity, it's about transforming your workspace into a hub of productivity. Imagine having all your devices connected and charged, your screens displaying exactly what you need, and your audio setup ready for meetings, all without fumbling for cables. If you're working from home or in an office setting, this docking station simplifies your setup and cuts down on clutter. It's a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their tech environment without complicated installations or compatibility headaches. Worried about setup? The included USB 3.0 cable makes connecting to your laptop quick and hassle-free. And with broad OS support, you won't have to worry about software conflicts or driver issues disrupting your workflow. The triple display capability alone is worth considering if you handle multiple projects or need to monitor various data streams simultaneously. Adding the fast charge port and Ethernet connectivity rounds out a package designed to keep you connected and powered up. If you want a reliable, versatile docking station that adapts to your needs, this USB 3.0 triple display dock fits the bill. It's a practical tool that helps you work smarter, not harder, by expanding your digital workspace with ease. Worth a look if you're ready to upgrade your setup and get more done with less hassle. Whether you're a creative professional, a remote worker, or simply someone who values efficiency, this dock offers real benefits you can count on. Try it when you're ready to simplify your workspace and enjoy the freedom of multiple screens, fast device charging, and seamless connectivity. It's a straightforward way to boost productivity without extra complications. In the end, the triple display USB 3.0 docking station delivers exactly what you need to create a powerful, organized workstation. Its mix of high-resolution displays, multiple USB ports, and audio features makes it a solid choice for anyone looking to expand their laptop's capabilities. Don't let your tech hold you back. With this dock, you get a reliable, easy-to-use hub that keeps everything connected and running smoothly. It's a practical upgrade that fits right into your daily routine. Remember, the dock's compatibility with Windows, Mac, and Chrome OS means it's ready to work with your existing devices. Just plug in, power up, and enjoy a workspace that works as hard as you do. If that's you, someone who wants to maximize productivity and streamline device management, this triple display docking station is worth serious consideration. It's designed to meet real-world needs without overcomplicating your setup.